everybody. So I'm here with my best friend Joy. So she is from New York.
Are you from New York even?
Yeah. Recently a student in Florida State. She is a Columbia student. I'm just gonna be doing my face, so I'm priming with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Just the regular one, to be honest. We're really gonna eat at the game. Like, it's gonna go crazy, but honestly, I think I'll go crazy for myself too. I'll go crazy for us too. Like, if we saw each other side by side, I know them all is gonna be like, ma'am, 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 can you spare a crumb? And it's like, no. Okay, hey y'all, so I am color correcting under my eyes with the LA Pro Girl Conceal in Orange. Y'all already know. And then I'm gonna be blending it out, and then I set it with the CoverGirl powder in medium deep to just set it so that it doesn't mix in with everything else. And I did my eyebrows. So I did my eyebrows too. I basically edited all of it out because it takes so long, and then I concealed. And now I'm doing the Tarte Shape Tape on my face. I'm just putting it on, and then I blended it out. And then over here, I am taking the Revlon Photo Ready concealer and blending it underneath my eyes. I usually just try to keep it very much compact. And now I am setting the rest of my face with a powder puff. I'm telling y'all, the powder puff really be the game changer. Y'all got to get it. Make your face look so smooth, and I love it. And now I'm going to blend out this concealer that I put underneath my eyes, like 2 more dots just for extra coverage. And then I'm setting that with a brush, because if I put too much powder, it's going to look dry and cakey, and I'm not about that lifestyle. So now I am putting on this super blendable powder. It's kind of like a powder foundation with the powder puff, once again, for that very flawless look. And now I'm contouring my nose. If y'all want an in-depth tutorial, please let me know. But I basically just put 2 lines on the side of my nose bridge and blend it out. And this is what it looks like. It may be a little intense for some people, but for me, I love it. Like, it's so cute. And now I am contouring the sides of my cheekbones and putting it up in the temples as well. And then I'm blending it out with my powder brush. And then I'm doing my jawbone just to have that really snatched sculpt look, because on an everyday basis, I look like a baby. And it's very cute, but sometimes you don't want to look cute. You want to look sexy. And then I highlighted with the Maybelline, the Glow Down eyeshadow, but I don't have the footage, probably because I don't have storage on my phone, but it's okay. I do have my nude lip combo that I did in usually every single day, and this is it. But thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and be sure to leave a comment down below. But thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.